Here goes a spoonful of rice. In my mouth. Yum! Pretty soon, I can feel the energy spreading all the way down to my legs. Now I have the power. How does this happen? Why does eating give us energy? Let's find out together. When you wake up in the morning, do you feel a little hungry? You need energy to go to school or play with your friends. Cars need gas to go, right? Our bodies are kind of like cars. We need fuel to get moving, too. Foods like rice, bread, meat, and fruit are full of energy. This special power inside food is called energy. Today, we are going to find out how eating gives us energy. Are you excited to see what kind of story will unfold? When you take a bite of rice, your teeth get to work right away. They chew and chop the food into tiny pieces. Those little pieces of food slide smoothly down your throat. Next, the food arrives in your stomach. There, it gets even softer. That part of the journey is pretty quick. Now the food moves into your intestines. Inside, it breaks down into even smaller pieces. These tiny pieces are called nutrients. The nutrients ride through your blood and travel all over your body. They reach your fingertips, your toes, even the very top of your head. Food really does go on an amazing adventure inside you. Now that the food has traveled everywhere, let's find out where the real energy is made. Are you ready? Our bodies are made up of tiny building blocks called cells. Just like stacking blocks to build something big, these cells join together to make you. Each cell is busy doing its own special job. They take in the nutrients from your food, like rice or bread, and get ready to use them. Inside every cell, there are little machines that work like a factory. These machines work hard to process the nutrients that come in. Thanks to these hard-working cells, your body gets the energy it needs. You use this energy to breathe, to run and play, and even to study at your desk. Your cells help you feel strong and full of life. But as you use up your energy, you start to feel hungry again. So, how does this energy travel around and help your whole body work? Let's find out. When you eat breakfast in the morning, you feel ready and full of energy to go to school. You need this energy to run and play with your friends outside. Every time you move, your body uses up some of its energy. Even when you are sitting quietly and reading a book, your body still needs energy for every little thing you do. Your heart beating, your breathing, and even blinking your eyes all use energy too. Food fills you up with energy, just like charging a battery. As you move and do things, your energy slowly gets used up. That's why you start to feel hungry after a while. When your energy runs low, it's time to eat again. Let's add what we learned today. Foods like rice and bread give our bodies the power to move and play. When we chew up our food, it gets broken into tiny pieces. Then, inside our bodies, those pieces turn into sparkling energy for our cells. We use this energy every time we run, read a book, or even when we sleep and breathe. Our bodies need energy all the time. So, You can think of food as the special fuel that helps us do everything. I can't wait to share another fun story next time. See you soon!